Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing about something very different. We're not going to be discussing about business analysis. I already just wrapped up the video for Zomato and Swiggy. I'm just uploading it. पर आज हम बात करने वाले हैं, on this topic like getting the basics right. Why is it so important that the basics, whether it is life, whether it is gym, whether it is investing, कुछ भी हो, कुछ भी जगह हो, why is it so important to get this basics right? Okay. So I was just having this interaction with one person on my XDM. Like you all know, right? I'm active on X. YouTube, I just use it to deposit, all the videos, and I answer the queries. And by the way, if I have not responded, because there are so many queries that it's tough for me to respond to each and every query, right? Like I dedicate like 10 minutes every day for this query. So jiska bhi phela hota hai, the first 10 queries that I can find, I will respond to it. So that is how it is. But anyways, coming back to the topic, like this person, just message me and he's like, is let's say X company ka, if there is this debt to equity itna hai, iska, there the debt to equity is more. He was digging up on this, this related party transactions that are there, some related party transactions were there. He was talking about valuations and everything. I just asked him like, simple questions. Ki, like, what is the sales growth of the company? Abhi kya kar raha hai? Sales growth kya hai, right? How does the, what is the margins like? Is there a product mix change happening? How does it look like going forward? Do they have any guidance? What is their expansion plan? He has no clue about any of these metrics, right? Like nothing. Like he doesn't even know what the guidance of this company is like. None of that stuff, right? Absolutely zero clue. But he was digging on all this unnecessary data. Okay. And this is exactly what happens when you do not have a set of series, a set of foundation exactly to know what you're doing. Okay. I'll put it up in another example. I think that would connect the dots in a much better way, in a much better manner. In a way, if I have to tell you, let's say if you want to read a book, okay, आपको एक English का एक बड़ा मोटा book पढ़ना है. Let's say Nassim Nicholas Taleb का Anti-Fragile you have to read, okay, but you do not know ABCD. You do not know how to form words. You do not know how to read or form a sentence, right? And do you really think if you read this big book of this, Nassim Nicholas Taleb ka ek Anti-Fragile, Black Swan, you read this book, do you really think you will be able to connect head or dot with this? Do you really think you will be able to understand anything when you can't even understand a sentence, when you can't even understand ABCD? Do you really think it is possible to read? No, right? Similarly, for example, let's say you're going to the gym, right? You're going to the gym, you can't, you're not able to lift 2.5 kgs. Aapko forget 2.5 kgs, that 1 kg ka tumble you're not able to lift, right? You do not know any basics, right? Aapko push up nahi aata hai, everything. And all of a sudden aap gym mein jaake aap 20 kg ka bench press lagane ka koshish karoge. Do you think it will happen? Absolutely no, right? So it is a similar way. Everything in life, you need to first get your basics right. You need to get your foundation right. If you don't get your foundation right, if you don't get the basics right, it is a time waste in whatever you do, right? Let's say for example you're setting up your building, okay, if building में अगर आपका foundation जो है आपने अगर you haven't put it right, आपने foundation ठीक तरह से नहीं किया, then ultimately what happens? The building will crumble, right? There is no way you're going to have a very strong and sturdy structure. It is the same way in all areas of life, whether it is gym, whether it is life, whether it is investing. Okay, now since we are talking more about investing, let's stick to that, right? So get your basics right over here, get your foundation right? Get a proper checklist, right? Get a proper checklist. Usko do first, usko पहले ठीक तरह से करो. Instead of not doing that, you don't even know कि like धंधा क्या करता है. You don't even know how the business is making money. You have absolutely zero clue on that. You have absolutely zero clue on the basics, such as a simple parameter, very simple parameter which you have to do is sales growth. You have no idea on that, and you don't even know what the projection is going to be looking like for the next year, if at all, if there is. And you don't know all of these things, पर आप ढूंढने निकले debt क्या है and then valuation क्या है. मतलब अगर आपको business का scope ही नहीं समझ में आता है, what is the point of valuation if you don't even understand what is the scope of the business? How will you be able to value the business, right? Let's say a company is coming and increasing the guidance, so all of this is happening, but you're talking about valuation without even understanding that. So you see the policies, right? You see a lot of क्या बोलते हैं, like cracks in the thought process. So this is the thing, get your basics right. कुछ भी करो लाइफ में, इन्वेस्टिंग में भी एक चेकलिस्ट बनाओ. अगर आपके पास चेकलिस्ट नहीं है, get that investment checklist workshop that we have done right on Jan 11th and 12th. It is literally the best thing you'll ever do. It is literally the best thing you'll ever buy in this year, or even for throughout the years of your life, right? Get that, learn about the investment checklist, learn कि like क्या देखना पड़ता है when you are seeing a company. What exactly do you have to see? How do you connect the dots? What is important? What is not important? Because if you don't understand the basics, na kya hoga? Two things will happen. One, you might have a good company in front of you, but you're probably not able to understand the scope, and then you get drawn to all these nitty gritty details which are completely useless. And by the time you finish the analysis, kya hoga? It is already the story of that company is over. On the other hand, when you don't have the proper basics right or anything, what happens is, let's say you start, because you do not know exactly what to look for, you waste your time looking at unnecessary data. Shayad us company ka sales growth is hardly 5%, and then you're going and looking at debt to equity, iska kya hai, iska related party transaction kya hai, iska valuation kya hai. You're just wasting your time when you could have rejected that company in probably 2 minutes by just looking at one parameter, right? So do you see, it is a waste of time in either ways. And why did this happen? Because aapka foundation theek nahi tha. Similarly, when you go to the gym, right? When you go to the gym, kya hoga? You have to get your basics right. आपको थोड़ा push-ups, pull-ups, basics, आपको सीखना पड़ता है. Then you go do all this, circus जो आपको करने फिर करो, ठीक है? But अगर आप नहीं करते हो, क्या होगा? Again, same thing, two cases. Either you will break one of your bones and you will be at home only, or the second things, you might be spending 3 hours in the gym, doing this, but you don't see any result. Do you see? The same thing connected to the investing. वो पहला केस क्या था? Stock, you miss out on the opportunity. Second, you're wasting your time. Similarly also, in terms of your diet that you have in life, right? Agar if you're not, what is the most basic thing when you're talking about having a healthy diet? You need to have a really good, the most thing, drink 3 liters of water, get 2 grams per kg body weight का आपका protein intake लाना पड़ेगा, avoid sugar. ये सब आप नहीं करोगे, पर क्या करोगे? Research में आप बैठ जाओगे, right? You don't eat protein, आप you're eating the wrong sources of food. So ultimately आप जितना भी अच्छा खाओ, आप शायद avocado you're getting imported from America, बट क्या हो रहा है? आपका टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है, आपका पैसा बर्बाद हो रहा है, एंड अल्टीमेटली यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी अगेन एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस इन योर बॉडी ऑल्सो. सो डू यू सी, वॉट एवर यू डू, विच एवर फील्ड you are, whatever area of life it is, if you don't get your foundation right, if you don't get the basics right, there's only going to be one and one outcome only: waste of time. Just absolute waste of time, absolute waste of money, and nobody and anybody cannot help you. Okay, so make sure whatever you're doing, पहले अपना foundation ठीक करो. Anything, get a very very sturdy foundation, right? Get the basics right. उसके बाद आप कुछ भी करो, it becomes a cakewalk. Now think about this, right? If I have to construct a house, if my foundation is right, वो बहुत solid है भाई, मैं 7 फ्लोर क्या 10 फ्लोर का भी घर बना सकती हूँ. But having said that, if my foundation is very weak, ultimately I won't even be able to put probably 4 pillar also on top of that. Ultimately the structure also will crumble, no? So it is the same thing, ठीक है? Again, just it could be as if I'm reiterating the same thing, but whatever you do, get the basics right. Have a good grip